When it comes to protecting your company's assets, you need timely information you can use to spot and stop loss fast. But manual exception reports from hundreds of stores slow you down. Sifting through delayed reports can add days, weeks, or even months to the process of finding and addressing exceptions and negative trends. The VeriBalance software platform helps you identify, track, and resolve exceptions in real time before they grow into bigger problems. For example, with VeriBalance, you set thresholds for key metrics like cash on hand, overshorts, cashier and bookkeeper performance, store compliance, and deposit tracking. When those thresholds are exceeded, you're quickly notified by email, so you can proactively address the issue. VeriBalance automates and standardizes back-office tasks performed at all your stores, reducing errors, so researching them doesn't take time away from investigating fraud. While employees perform these consistent integrated tasks, VeriBalance captures trackable data and aggregates it into actionable analytics. Easy-to-access reports support audits and investigations, helping you conduct them efficiently. VeriBalance also connects all your systems and devices to let them communicate, so technologies like the POS, intelligent cash drawers, and video surveillance systems can work together to give you instant accountability and visual evidence of any wrongdoing. Your loss prevention team has a lot to manage. Stop chasing down currency management exceptions from delayed manual reports with real-time automated analytics that help you identify, track, and resolve exceptions quickly. VeriBalance empowers you to reduce loss and increase profitability for your business.